Hello, in this video I want to show you 5 useful Google Assistant commands on HOTWAV Note 12. And let's start with first one, and it will be on how to use the translator. So we can ask our Google on how to translate any words, sentences, and etc. Just go for it like that. Hey Google, translate to Polish, I ate the burger. And the nice thing about it, if you have the voice match, not the voice match, if you have volume up on your phone, it will also speak out loudly this translation, which is very useful when you're traveling. Hey Google, translate to Polish, I ate the burger.
In Polish, that's
Zjadłem burgera.
Okay, the next one will be on how to count your calories in the food you're about to eat, and you can ask Google Assistant for it as well. Hey Google, how many calories in the burger?
There are 295 calories in 100 grams of double hamburger.
Okay, next one will be on how to find your device if you lost somewhere in your room, in your house, and you can't identify where it is. And if your Google Assistant works on a lock screen and you have volume up on your phone, you can ask Google with the sentence, where are you? Or you can try to play any song. Also ask Google to play any song you like. And that way your phone will start making sound and it will be easy to find it. Let's try it out. Hey Google, where are you?
I'm in the cloud, but I'm also always here when you need me.
Okay. And the next one will be on how to call anyone from your contacts list with Google Assistant if you don't have a free hand. Hey Google, call my mom. Now change mom with somebody else from your contacts list. You can use any word or name you like. Then we have messages. You can send messages using Google Assistant, and also we can say what should be included in that message. Hey Google, send message to my mom, I ate the burger. And here again, replace mom with somebody else from your contacts list. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.